Ito na po yung sports.
Varsities. Oh, CCS Lifestyle Varsity Jacket. If you like it, buy at IMF.
Yeah.
How much?
$80.
Less 70.
Naniwala ka doon?
Hindi. Wala akong tiwala sa kanya. It's unbelievable.
It's unbelievable pag sila nagsabi.
You should believe. Celebrity.
Good morning! We're here sa Vital. Galing nga.
Bilisan mo na. Alright, good morning! So, today. Hindi, wala pang tulog, guys.
Spanish.
Alright. So today we are here at Singapore Sports Complex because we're going to do our hobby, you know.
Yeah.
Namiss namin
Sporty
tong hobby
kami.
na to.
Yes, bibigyan namin na kayo ng clue before when I was in Stanford. Ito nung ano ko, sports ko.
Stanford is
Ikaw,
good.
girl.
When I was in Harvard.
In Harvard. Sa pambansang lungsod ng Maynila. Maynila. Ito
Tama
yung
pa
sports
siya ng
namin.
Harvard.
Yes.
Yes.
So today we're going to do one of the sports that one of our viewer requested.
Yes.
And
Ito po yung
Ito siya.
and
Ang ating
guest namin siya ngayon.
So po yung
Request ko po talaga sa kanila to. So I'm so excited to join them. Oh my God. Yes. So and also
Thank you, Fan.
Balik ka dito. Yeah, so
excited na siya.
kaya for every one of you who's watching, like what we've said, comment down below kung ano yung below. Sorry
For the
kasi
vlog.
aga pa talaga namin kasi
6 a.m. kami.
6 a.m. gising na kami
Gumising.
for this for you guys. So tara na, abangan natin.
Hindi tayo
Sige na.
kausap.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Si Aga naman eh. Patapos
I was searching in the ocean for your eyes. Started drowning, pull me out, and we survived all night. I was so blind. I see that I was searching in the ocean for your eyes. Started drowning, pull me out, and we survived all night. I was so blind. I see.
Girl, are you excited? Kinakabahan siya.
scared.
So Cake is scared and then si Car right there.
So for this orange color one, you got 4 buckles. Make sure all 4 buckles are buckled up. Look at your right chest over here. On the inside, there should be a pocket with a whistle. Okay, just orientate yourself. Make sure you know where the whistle is. Okay.
Where's the whistle, girl?
Dito daw, sa loob ng chest pocket.
Alright.
Paano mo naman ito kukunin kung nadudunod ka na?
Okay, after you guys you choose the pedal first. So look behind you, the pedal rack. I got 3 types of pedals. The first one, the orange color one. The blades are smaller, easier to use now. Okay, if you can choose the red or the white one. The red and the white, the difference is the length red longer, white shorter. Okay, the blades are bigger as compared to the orange one, so can go faster as well.
So orange is for the beginner.
You can put it that way lah.
Okay.
Okay, it'll be easier for beginners as well.
Alright.
Okay.
I was searching in the ocean for your eyes. Started drowning, pull me out, and we survived all night. I was so blind. I see that.
Okay. So once you guys are done, okay, I need you guys to help me put the boat back onto the trolley lah. Okay. Then after that, we will push the trolley up to wash down at the end of the day. Okay, at the end of the session lah. Okay, one last thing to take note. Okay, you see a barricade in the middle of the pontoon. Okay, so if you want to rest on the pontoon, only rest on this side of the pontoon. The other side is another zone. Okay, so not for us to go. Okay, and now if you guys got no questions, you can proceed.
But until what time?
Until 9:30.
9:30.
I was searching in the ocean for your eyes. Started drowning, pull me out, and we survived. All night, I was so blind. I see that I was searching in the ocean for your eyes. Started drowning, pull me out, and we survived. All night, I was so blind. I
After 30 minutes.
Andiyan pa rin sila. Ay, si ma'am kailangan magsanlo. Okay. You wanna race? Race? Race?
Bigyan na namin kayo ng head na kayo.
I got 3 minutes. 10, 9, 7. Sila po nandun pa din.
After
1 hour.
1 hour.
We
What do you wanna
figured
say?
out that our paddle is too short.
Yeah, we figured out na kailangan pala talaga the paddle is longer so that
Kasi this is for
this the instructor said for beginner, but
only proves na hindi kami
intermediate na tayo, girl. So next time we know na for pang intermediate tayo, hindi beginner. So if you can,
progressing.
yeah, we are progressing. We're proud of ourselves.
I can see the national stadium.
There you go.
So, an update after 1 hour of paddling our way.
Yes, we were able to paddle naman far from where we started. Yeah.
Harbor. We are in the middle of Kallang Lake. This is a lake, right?
Well, they call it Kallang River, so
Okay, river, but I don't
still river, still river.
Kallang, but not in the way. So, guys, kamusta? Kumaya kayo.
Girl, did you nahabol mo nung German boat?
Oh yeah, because like we're a pro, you know.
Oh my God!
Iceberg right now. Guys, huwag nyo kaming buhay.
Please, ayan. Ay, magandang yun. Yeah. Kanina, merong dragon boat German, yun yung inahabol ni Jay.
Ito nga, sabi nga niya. Ay, guwapo. Ay, pogi oh.
I was searching in the ocean for your eyes. Started drowning, pull me out, and we survived. All night, I was so blind. I see that in you. I was searching in the ocean.
Sige, just paddle and paddle and paddle. Effort.
I think masyado mababa yan.
Tingnan mo, nakikita mo ba sarili mo?
Hindi. Yung lens lang. Tinatansya ko lang kung
Okay.
saan naka...
Or i-selfie ko kaya para makita mo.
Ah, yeah, girl. Oo.
Ayan. Can you see yourself?
Ayan. There you go.
Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
Alright.
I can see myself. I can see clearly. Okay, tingala mo konti.
Konti.
Yan.
There.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, at least medyo may kita na sa'yo because against the light na kanina.
Up, tingala mo konti. Yan.
Right?
Yep.
3, 2,
Okay.
1. We're good. We're just
Left, right, left, right.
Yeah. Alright. Sige, just paddle. Just
Okay,
try.
guys. Ano sabihin natin?
Did you enjoy the vlog? Kamusta naman?
Did you enjoy the vlog for our guest? Yeah. How's your first experience?
Yeah, it's really amazing. You know the feeling. I cannot express how much happiness I feel inside. Oh, I said I can't express, but I expressed it.
Yeah, so everyone, yeah, we hope that you've enjoyed today's vlog at our today's
Ang
activities.
masasuggest ko lang sa Water Sports Center.
Center? What?
Mas maganda kung may sandalan sana itong kaya.
Yeah, kasi ang hirap niya sa likod, nakakangawit. But, yeah,
Lalo na pag ako.
what?
Oh my God.
Yeah, don't kasi it's an instruction not to lie down. Don't lie down daw.
Sakit sa binti ko.
Don't intentionally
Parang mag-ano
capsize
na
the
magkakaram na yung paa ko.
Okay, so alright, so for today, thank you again. So if you have any thank you to our sponsor. Sino ba? Si Kit.
Siya pa nagbayad.
Thank you, Brianna. Till next time, everyone. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Bye. Every night in my dreams, I see. Where are you? I cannot see.
I'm here. There's a boat. There's a kayak.
There's a kayak. Good morning.